wait. I didn't expect you here. Go and help Mothseed. Become gang members. I can't be here. I will leave this realm forever.
Don't you understand? We have 3 dangerous entities. They can destroy whole Saturama. It can be the end.
Not my circus. Not my monkeys. I didn't care anymore. I am forgotten by them. You're not. We've seen 2 enemies. One enemy had pink body, second had violet head. We need to do something about that. You go fuck yourselves.
It wasn't too nice. We can warn others. Join us when you will be ready.
Unfortunately, I can destroy you with my newfound powers. Let's split.
Don't leave, son. Let's have a little chat. You will need some explanations.
What happened to me? I've been guy with newfound powers. What have you done with me?
I want to warn you that great battle will have a place in Saturama. You can't leave all of your teammates alone. You need to fight.
I don't have to fight for someone that don't even give a fuck about me. What the fuck they are thinking? That I'll come back. I'll not back, even for divine powers. I have my honor.
You will lose this honor if you will not rescue City. You don't even need to fight for your teammates, but for lives of innocent people there. Of course, you have a choice.
I'll think about it. For now, I will go. Goodbye, see you someday. I'll need to help these fucks. I need to go home.
You think Vaughn will help us? Because I don't think so.
Well, let's see. Honestly, I understand his rage. We've been friends from kindergarten. Everyone picked on him. His parents used him for money. He had depression. His life fucks him in every way possible.
Huh, I didn't know that. Well, we need to warn some part of Saturama. You will warn one part. I'll warn second part.
What is that scary thing? Well, let's take this to the next I'll make research of this.
Hold on! You are the leader that got infected by worm, which being infected by dark either be right. Why so serious? I just want to test your power, that's all. Of course, if I will win, you'll take your power. If you will win, you can do with me whatever you want.